Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a part 3 of reviewing my new fidgets. And I've already had a part 2 and a part 1, so this is part 3. So yeah, let's get on to the video. I want to make this one even longer. So, close my eyes, reach down, have this.
Classic fidget spinner.
But the
colors. Oh, and it's poppets.
Yeah. Has poppets, and it's a fidget spinner. So, yeah, pretty cool.
Nice.
It does look like rainbow when you look at it on the top.
It's so pretty.
So, yeah, I'll rate this one a 5 out of 10. It's pretty cool, but it's not like too...
I don't know, fidget spinners got like way overdone at a certain point.
Yeah.
So...
I'm not a big fan of them, so, yeah.
This is pretty cool, though. I love the tie-dye.
Yeah. Okay, anyways, next. It's down, and... Okay, we have another...
Pastel, rainbow, dice.
It's a dice. It actually has, like, little numbers on them.
You could actually use this for a game.
And it's kind of like the hamburger over here.
Yeah, so it's
dice.
Kind of got, like, air in the middle of it. You pop them in.
Pop them in, and then you squeeze, and they come out.
That's fun.
Yeah. I like the big one. Wait. Okay, I'm going to rate this one a 9 out of 10 because this is actually usable for a game. And it's really satisfying when you pop them. And the sounds are, like, really nice.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is a good one.
I don't even remember seeing that one, like, in the photo for the thing.
Me neither. Okay. Oh, cute. We got this little turtle. This one is actually
from Easter.
Yeah, this one's from Easter. And I decided to put it in here because I've never reviewed it on a video.
It's super cute, and he fits really well in with his brand new friends, Mr. Derpy and Starfish.
Yes, Mr. Derpy and Starfish. He fits right in with them. They're friends. Yeah, I'm going to have to write this one.
This could be his little floaty
that
he goes on top of when he's tired of swimming.
Yeah. I would rate this one, I'm going to rate this one a 6 out of 10 because it's really cute and it goes along with his friends.
And you got it for Easter, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, next.
To the bag.
I got one of these things. There's a bunch in here. Jeez Louise. Let's see if I can get all of them out. Hey, it's not your turn. And we've got a bunch of these. They're like these.
Definitely more that you didn't get. Okay.
They're these little things. They stick together pretty cutely. They have a lot of different colors. They feel really weird.
They also have like a little hook at the top. So here's the thing. You could turn these into keychains, necklaces, or earrings. Earrings, I think these would be so cute as earrings. Yeah. And then maybe you could take them off and chew on them. I feel like people have sometimes jewelry that they chew on.
Yeah.
And these seem like they'd be fun to bite if they weren't dirty. But then they're also like supposed to stick to each other a little bit. But they don't really hold. Okay, yeah. How's the chewability?
It has 5 teeth.
It hurts your teeth.
Uh-huh.
That's not good.
So I would not bite these. But like I actually think that you can make some clip-on earrings for me. Could you do that for me?
Yeah, I can make you.
Okay, thank you. I'm just gonna pick out some really quick that I want you to do because like I'm too patient to do it later. Okay. Put those right there so we can tell them apart. And then put these ones right there. I'm rating these 7 out of 10. Pretty good. They're not my favorite though. They could definitely have some more uses, but they're pretty cute, pretty good. So next one. Okay. This is like
whoa. What in the heck is that guy?
It has a marble in between. You can like put it back and forth. Ooh.
Those are weird. I thought they'd be like Chinese finger traps.
Yeah. That's
Kind
what
of
I thought
looks
they were
like they
too,
took a Chinese finger trap and sewed a marble into it.
Yeah.
That's basically what it is. But
yeah, it's
the
pretty
back and
nice.
forth.
When
It
I
does-
do it, I get the thing underneath my finger and it kind of hurts a little. But yeah, I would rate this a 1 or 2.
Yeah.
They're not very nice.
They're fine. They seem like they'd be durable and they wouldn't get really like you could throw it in a bag for sure and
Yeah.
easily not worry about it getting ripped or dirty.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of a one-trick pony where you're just doing the same thing back and forth and back and forth.
Yeah.
But
I mean, that's what technically every fidget is.
well, I don't know. Some of them have a whole lot more, or you kind of have to pay attention to what you're doing so you don't make it pop back up.
But yeah. Okay.
Kind of like a poppet that only has one single pop.
Yeah. So, next, reach in. Oh, I got
The big boy.
the big one.
You heard it for hamburger, and now we got French fries.
This one, I can tell I'm gonna like because it has the little bumps on the top. They have a print on it, which always means that they're good.
It's better quality or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's nice. It when you pop it from the wrong side, the not satisfying side, it stays down. It doesn't pop back up immediately.
So I really like this one. I am also here for it because food. You might have heard it from number 1. When I got this one, I love food related stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if you didn't get to go to 1 or 2, we should go to those so that you know what in the world is happening. And yeah. So, continuing. I'm going to rate this one a 10 out of 10. I love it.
10 out of 10. French fry.
Okay.
Boop, boop.
Next going in is, the popcorn.
This one's super cute.
Yeah. This one doesn't have the little things on top, so the hard side is coming back up. You can probably see that. So it's not the same as that one.
Okay.
But the other side is really satisfying, easy to pop back up. But this is definitely not as good as the French fries. I definitely like the French fries better. But yeah, it's still pretty good. Rate this one an 8 out of 10. It's food related, so I'm here for it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next.
Getting down to the last one.
Okay, we got noodles. Get the rest of the noodles out. These noodles.
Oh, these are forbidden food. These I just want to stick in my mouth immediately.
They're
They
really
look like
stretchy.
sour gummy straws. I just want to chew on that.
You want to chew on everything.
Yeah.
They're really
They
stretchy.
are very stretchy.
And you can glass of them.
Okay, but it definitely is giving edible Play-Doh tasting gummy worms.
Yeah. And squish them together. I would give this one about maybe a 5 or 6 out of 10. They're not the best, but they're not the worst, you know. Okay. Next one. So we're trying to get through the whole thing without making a part 4. Okay. Oh, okay.
This is a pear.
Yeah, the pear. This one. Wait, no, I don't. I found it. Never mind. Okay. So, this one is the same as this one.
Burger boy.
And this dice one.
Nice friend.
But it's a pear. This one is pretty hard to squish without all the rest of them coming back up.
Yeah, because it's pretty roundish.
But yeah, I do like it. It's definitely, I am not here for it as much as the dice one.
Mm-hmm.
This dice one is really nice. Stop talking about the dice one, I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna rate this one a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, we got this bike chain one. This one has a lot of purposes. You can fit around with this. You can go around like that. really, really infinity cube like kind of, but like it's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. 7's a pretty good number. It's pretty nice, and yeah, that's all I have to say about it. Next one, Slinky. Slinky is pretty good. Slinky. It has really nice colors on it. It's like pink to yellow to like orange kind of, and it's really transparent and neon looking. And I can say it can do its job pretty well. The only thing I have about any Slinky in particular is it getting knotted or caught up in
once they're tangled, it's like a death sentence.
Yeah, pretty hard to untangle. Like, it's the end of it. Like, technically, it's so hard for me. So, I don't know if I'm going to be using this very much, but it's definitely pretty cool to look at. Make a little...
Always fun to have while they're still new and not tangled.
Yeah. I'm going to give this one a 4 out of 10. So,
hopefully it stays nice for a little while.
Yep. Next. Oh, I got my infinity cube. I was playing with this one in the first one, I think. While you were looking at those over there, I was playing with this.
Cheating, going ahead. That's nice. I like the colors on it.
I love infinity cubes. They're like just so relaxing. You can do like this forever.
Yeah.
Do it for infinity?
Yes, because they're called infinity cubes. So, yeah. I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10 just because I love infinity cubes and, like, I'm here for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Next. Oh, you missed one of these. Okay, next. Okay, we have...
Another mochi guy.
Another mochi.
Do all the mochis at once.
In my scissors, because now I'm panicking.
Okay, so we've got more mochi guys. Looks like a little derpy dog. Oh, cute dog. Little derpy dog.
And we have starfish.
It does have a face.
Yeah.
Cute.
They're nice. My favorite out of these is definitely this one. I know it's going to get dirty pretty fast because their white does not last very long. But, yeah, they're pretty nice. So,
Join the fam.
join the family.
Oh, they feel so soft.
Yeah, I know. Okay,
I like this.
come on. Move it. Last one we have is this little
peas
in a pod thing. This one has a little face. These ones don't. They're not as special as the middle one, but it's definitely really nice. I'm looking at myself.
I think you had one of those before.
Yeah, Kyra gave it to me, and then I think Audrey maybe popped it out or she ripped it out, and then it broke.
Yeah, so those are cute. Is that our very last one?
Yep.
Okay, what's the rating?
I'm gonna. Oh, we didn't rate this one. It's the same as all the other ones. 5 out of 10. I'm gonna rate this one a 6. It's pretty satisfying. You can take it around on your backpack or anything, but it is a little hard to like pop these up. So yeah. That's all of them. I hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up in the face and subscribe for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up in the face. Wait. And say nice to each other. Bye bye.